So now what we're going to do is create the inner circle. So we know that we have a shape that's 10 inches. So we're going to select that outer shape and use the quick action offset path. And even though it's going out an inch, we're going to put a negative sign in front of this and we'll tab, and that creates the inner circle. Now, I'm going to get a little bit more space. So I'm just going to do a 1.5. We'll tab that, and that's good because then we can put the text along the outside and put a graphic or something in the middle. So I'm going to click OK. And then we don't want to use the rope inside. We could keep this look, if we wanted to maybe bump that down, we could do something like that. But I'm just going to go ahead and make it a regular shape. So I'm just going to do the basic style, and you can see the stroke is a 0.5 points. So I'm going to actually make that a little bit larger, and let's see what 10 points looks like. So 10 points looks pretty good. We're going to keep that as the thickness, and that's our inner shape. Now I'm also going to take this path in here, and I'm going to offset it outward half the distance between these two so that we can put text inside or along this arc, and then also along the bottom. So I'm going to offset that path, and this way I'm going to do the 1.5, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this little trick. I'm going to put a divide 2, so I'm going to divide that by 2, and I'm going to hit tab, and it calculates the offset for us. Now we could have done that probably easy enough on our own, but this way we know exactly it's in the center between these two. So when we place our text and we align it along the center of this path, it will have the right spacing. Now for this, we're going to get rid of the stroke because we don't need that. So we're just going to come down here and we'll just make it 1 point for now, just to leave it the way it is. We're also going to get rid of the fill for that one, and as well as we're going to take this one and we're going to remove the fill for that one because we don't need that. This one out here, we'll remove the fill as well. So we don't want the fill on any of these circles, right? Because we want it to be transparent to what we're looking for. Next, we'll place the text on the upper and lower portions.